Hi guys, so today we're going to review the Mahusa 14-inch plastic knitting needles. Okay guys, so this is how the case looks like when it's opened. There's a knitting gauge. It has a range of sizes to complement most knitting projects. Assorted colors to allow you to easily identify needles with a glimpse. We also have the size on the needle on here. This beautiful carry case features 15 compartments for neat organization. They're made of acrylic plastic. The 4mm needles seem to be a little flimsy. Okay, so let's open this one. Okay, so we'll knit something. Okay, so cast on 10. Turn your work around. Move the yarn to the back. Knit all your stitches. Turn your work around. Turn your work around. They're not as sharp at the tip as the metal ones are. But I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe.